Hello and welcome to the Pioneer Room Local History Archives. I'm Ashley Hayes, a library assistant at the Escondido Public Library. Today we'll explore the FamilySearch Wiki's guided research tool, a valuable resource for genealogical research. In this video tutorial, we'll cover how to find the website, access the guided research tool, and learn what vital records are and how to locate them using the guided research tool. Let's get started. FamilySearch Wiki is a valuable genealogical resource, offering information on research topic, records collections, and research strategies. To access the wiki, open your web browser and type in familysearch.org/en/ in the address bar. Once you're on the FamilySearch website's homepage, locate the search option in the top menu. Click on it and select Research Wiki from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the FamilySearch Wiki homepage. On the FamilySearch Wiki homepage, you'll find the Guided Research option. Click on it to access the Guided Research tool. The Guided Research tool is designed to help you through your genealogical journey. It provides step-by-step research guidance, record collections, and resources for various research objectives. The Guided Research tool will help you find vital records in a given state or country you select from the country's menu. Vital records are a cornerstone of genealogical research, providing essential details about our ancestors' significant life events. Examples of vital records include birth, death, marriage, and divorce certificates. If you're searching for vital records outside the US, they may be called civil registration records. Let's look at vital records in the US. Click United States in the Guided Research menu. For this demonstration, let's focus on Indiana vital records. Click on Indiana from the list of states or click on its location on the map. Once you're on the Indiana Records page, look for the Vital Records links in blue. Let's click on the birth records to learn more. You'll notice a list of available birth record options. Some of these records may have a $sign next to them, indicating they're available through paid sites. Remember that not all FamilySearch records are free, and you might need to access these records through a paid subscription or during a research trip to a repository. Let's take a look at the marriage records available on the FamilySearch website. Hovering over the list of collections here will show a list of the collections FamilySearch makes available on their online database, like church records and marriages. Let's click on the Indiana Marriage Collections. Here in the Indiana Records search screen, you can see the collections FamilySearch will use to find your ancestor. I'll use my grandfather as an example for this demonstration. I'll enter his first and last name and his birth year, and then click Search. To access records on FamilySearch, you will be asked to sign in or create a free account. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. The search results page will display a list of relevant records based on your search criteria. To determine if a person in the result is your ancestor, please take a look at the details provided, such as names of parents and spouses, or other relevant information. To establish a connection, make sure to compare this information with what you already know about your ancestor. Once you identify a potential match, you can click on the record title to get more information. This will take you to the document details page. Here, you'll find index results generated from the original document. These index details make it easier to quickly gather essential information about your ancestor. While the indexed results are valuable, the original document contains even more information. To view the original document, click on the link provided, which may direct you to another website or digital archive. You may encounter handwritten information when viewing the original document, which can sometimes be challenging to decipher. Use the zoom button on the left side to see a clearer view of the text and other relevant details. Congratulations! Using the FamilySearch Wiki's guided research tool, you've mastered the vital records search experience. Remember to carefully review the search results and explore the original documents to understand your ancestors' history better. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Happy researching!